The four National People's Party (NPP) MLAs who flew to Delhi along with the Northeast Democratic Alliance NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sarma and NPP National President Conrad Sangma on 23rd June returned to the state today. The four MLAs along with Conrad Sangma and Himanta Biswa Sarma arrived at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport, Imphal at 12:30 p.m. in a chartered flight, a report said. Talking to media persons at the airport, NPP President Conrad Sangma said his party's issues were discussed with BJP National President JP Nadda and Home Minister Amit Shah during a meeting in New Delhi, and that the two leaders are sure to look into the issues facing NPP personally and solve them soon. Sangma also said the NPP MLAs in Manipur will continue their support to Biryan government. In Manipur, 49 more persons were confirmed positive of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The samples were confirmed at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories (VRDLs) of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) Imphal. This takes the total tally to 970 in the state. With this development, the number of active cases now stands at 642, while 328 individuals have recovered from the disease till now. 12 army personnel have tested positive for COVID-19 in Nagaland's Kohima district, officials said today. According to reports, Health and Family Welfare Department officials said 12 army personnel of Jakhma Army Camp Quarantine Center tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. A spike of 16,922 new cases of novel coronavirus pushed India's COVID tally to 4.73 lakh this morning. As per reports, the death toll due to coronavirus in India climbed to 14,894 after at least 418 deaths were recorded in the last 24 hours ending this morning. According to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the COVID-19 tally in India rose to 4,73,105. 5 persons were injured, one of them seriously, when a Bolero car plunged into a gorge along Imphal-Ziribam Road or National Highway 37 this morning around 10:30. The mishap occurred at a place located between Nungba and Rengpang of Nonne district. The injured were taken to Nungba Community Health Center for medical treatment, said a report. Among the 5, a girl is said to be in critical condition and has been referred to a hospital in Imphal for better medical treatment. Meanwhile, a JCB used in clearing debris at a landslide site in Nonne district Sinam village along National Highway 37 met with an accident last afternoon, injuring the driver. The accident occurred when a rolling stone from top of the hill fell over the JCB, in which the driver was injured in the head. He was taken to a hospital, a report said. The flood situation in North Assam's Dhemaji district continues to be grim as overflowing water of the rivers submerged new rural areas in Dhemaji, Sisiborgaon and Jonai revenue circles yesterday. As per reports, the rivers and streams of the district are swelling due to overnight heavy downpour in upper reaches of Arunachal Pradesh hillsides and created flood havoc in the riverine villages of the district. Troops of 43rd Assam Rifles at Moreh arrested a drug peddler along with 1 lakh pieces of WY tablet weighing around 9,746 grams near Hijang Veng under Moreh police station last morning. According to our Moreh correspondent, the arrested has been identified as Minthang Mate, aged 33 years of Langnom Veng, Ward number 9. He was taken into custody of Moreh police station along with the seized items. As Army Chief General Manoj Naravne met troops on the ground in eastern Ladakh yesterday and presented commendation cards to those involved in the recent standoffs with China, fresh satellite images of June 22nd show that the Chinese observation post destroyed on 15th June during the violent clash in Galwan area is back. Diesel price in the national capital crossed the Rs 80 per litre mark for the first time ever today as oil companies raised prices for the 19th day, taking the cumulative rate to Rs 10.63 a litre. Petrol price after a day's hiatus was hiked by 16 paise, and diesel had for the first time become costlier than petrol in Delhi yesterday and has now crossed the Rs 80 per litre mark. With 9.4 million infections, the World Health Organization said the pandemic in many countries has not yet peaked and that it was still intense, especially in America. According to reports, WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom has said he expects the number of coronavirus cases around the world to reach 10 million next week. The global fight against COVID-19 pandemic is intensifying, with medical experts and drug makers from across the world ramping up effort to arrive at the potential coronavirus vaccine and treatment. American biopharmaceutical company Gilead Sciences has said it will soon start clinical trials for an inhaled formulation of its antiviral drug remdesivir used for the treatment of COVID-19, a media report said.